So, moving on. Layo-layo pa tayo, no? Minsan ang sarap maging pilosopo, no? May magtatanong, anyari, anyari sa MRP? Anyari, ba't bumagsak ang CHP? Anyari. I understand most people are looking for a fundamental reason bakit bumagsak. Diba? Kasi tinira ni Duterte yung owner, or Congress is planning to pass a tax that will affect the business of the company, things like that. But really, the philosopher answer, which is valid, tama nga naman. Why do stock prices go up? Because there's more buying than selling. And the technical analyst is only concerned with that. Why do stock prices go down? There's more selling than buying. How do you know whether the stock which is going up might continue its trend upwards or reverse? And the answer there is you watch price action and volume traded. So that's my segue into our next topic, which is volume. What's volume? Volume is the number of shares traded, plain and simple. There are different volumes for different types of stocks. Halimbawa, syempre, alam naman natin kung blue chips, big funds, foreign funds, institutional investors, and yung mga buy and hold people, yung mga tao na sumusunod, halimbawa, sa Truly Rich Club, sa ibang trading groups, no? Na ang tinuturo is buy good companies, buy blue chip companies. Sobrang laki ng volume ng mga blue chips na yan. Diba? So, you have a lot of volume for blue chips. You have decent volume for second liners, no? Yung mga magagandang company naman, okay naman negosyo nila, pero hindi sila nakasama sa PSEI. And of course, you have your third liners, no? Which are low volume. And talagang may stocks na sobrang low volume, yung sa isang araw, hindi man lang umaabot ng a few 100,000, di ba? Why do you have to be aware of yung volume ng stocks? Kung marami ba yung nati-trade or konti lang araw-araw. It's so that you know how much to put in and how much you know how much you can buy. We'll try to have a replay for this. The important thing about knowing how much volume a stock normally has traded in a day is so that if you want to get in, no, medyo alam natin ilan yung pwede mong bilhin without really making a large impact on the stock price. Or alam din natin when you buy, when it comes the time to sell, medyo alam mo kung makakalabas ka ba. Halimbawa, how do you get volume? Simple, you just click here sa indicators, and then you scroll down to volume, and there you go, volume. So let's look at volume ng MRP. Ang volume ng MRP on Friday was 14 million shares. In previous days, 6 million, 12 million. Diba? Ang medyo mababa niya, pag 2 million shares ang traded niyan, medyo low volume yun for MRP relatively. But 2 million shares, kung ganyan, nagtitrade siya mga, let's say, 5 million shares a day, 9 pesos, 45 million pesos. Kahit 1 million yung bilhin mo, medyo safe ka pa. No? Kahit 1 million pesos ang bilhin mo. Kahit siguro baka mga 5 million pesos yung bilhin mo ng MRP, you can get in and out without pushing the prices up so high or pushing it down so low. Safe ka pa. But what about stocks like BMM, Bongo Medin Milling, no? Tiningnan natin ang volume ng BMM, ay nako. Nung Friday, well, 10 shares. The day before that, 110. Diba? Yung medyo marami-rami niya, 1,000 shares. 4,000 shares. Diba? So, It costs what? 100 pesos thereabouts. Kung bumili ka ng ano ba? 100 pesos. Bili ka ng 100 shares. O, ikaw na yung top buyer for the day minsan. 'Di ba? Sinong bebentahan mo? 'Di ba? Siguro kung bumili ka ng 10 shares, baka hindi pa nga sigurado kasi tingnan niyo nung Friday 10 shares, no. So, yung mga low volume stocks, very volatile. You really have to be able to know kaya nyo bang lumabas ng buhay dyan. Ayala Land, tawag ng Friday that was different. Unusual volume at 16 million shares, at 40 pesos. Di ano yun, 400 million. Kahit magbato ka ng 50 million pesos siguro worth, makakalabas, makakapasok ka without really being affected. So ayun. Always know how many shares are traded for that stock. So you have an idea magkano ipapasok mo, magkano yung pwede mong i-risk na makakalabas tayo ng buhay. And then, you have the concept of unusual volume, either increasing volume or decreasing volume. These can be signals sa atin. Ang stock na normally konti lang nati-trade per day, biglang dumami. Or ang stock na madami yung traded, biglang kumonte. There is a reason for that. It may be a fundamental reason, but rather than finding out what the reason is, if you can find out, it's good. But if not, just know that the sudden change in volume, volume became unusually higher or lower, may result in change in price, a strong change in price in the following days. We have the concept that volume precedes price action. Nauuna ang volume kaysa sa price action. Lalo na pagka tumitingin tayo ng breakouts and breakdowns. Okay, let's see. A good example of this, BRN, right? If you look at the volume nung April, yung BRN, wala 2 million shares traded, 200,000 shares traded, 800,000 shares traded. Ang konti. Suddenly, around April 20, there was a spike. Naging 4 million yung volume. Aba. And then, ano nangyari? Ayun. Nag-breakout siya. Yun kasi itong resistance dito minor. Nag-breakout siya after we got that signal that, major change in volume, tumaas. And then, that sparked a change in trend from sideways, naging upwards. Okay? And then, ano pa? Ito, meron tayong unusually high volume dito on this day. Bumagsak ang price. But that shows us that there was a change of hands. Nagpalit-palit ang mga tao. Pero kahit na nagpalit-palit sila, napakaraming nagbenta. Good pa rin ang support So may mga maraming bumili dito, but the price could not be pushed down below support. Diba? You would imagine, ito nga ito dito, itong sa candle na to, konti pa nga yung volume niya, Itong mga araw na to, konti lang volume niyan. Diba? Pero kahit konting volume, ang laking bagsak ng price. Hindi talaga nakayanan. Ito, kahit sobrang laki ng volume, nag-hold ng support. Okay? So, by learning what volume normally looks like for a stock, we can have a sense of marami bang nagbebenta than usual, marami bang bumibili than usual. And these can be signals that, mukhang may mangyayari. Something might happen. Kung ano man, we can look to other indicators or depende sa system nyo to find out kung dapat na bang pumasok. Okay. Yun, nakita natin volume precedes price action and volume may be a sign of accumulation. May bumibili. Tulad nung pinakita ko kanina, maraming sellers pero may bumibili, may sumasalo. Okay? Pag may bumibili, may sumasalo, ibig sabihin, somebody knows something. Or somebody has a plan. Okay? Kung medyo marunong-runong kayo, na gumamit ng call financial, I'm not endorsing call. I don't have call. But if marunong-runong kayong gumamit ng call platform, meron dun broker analysis. No? You can see over a set period of time, kayo mag-set 1 day or from May to June, gano'n. Makikita nyo, sino yung buyers and sellers ng stock, anong average price nila, did they sell more or did they buy more? Are they net buyers or net sellers? So that's one instance of one way to determine sino ba ang bumibili. Broker analysis ang tawag doon. And later on, when you get more advanced, you will see that these brokers, no, may mga style yan. Of course, they're mga heads. They're head traders, they're owners, they're management. These people have been in business for the longest time. Hindi magbabago ang mga habits niyan. Hindi ako magaling sa broker analysis. Some people like si Spy Frat, nako, 22 years na yun sa trading. Yun, kilala niya yung mga ugali ng mga brokers. Yeah, the people who are veterans in the market are able to make use of broker analysis very effectively. Ako na baguhan pa lang, 1 taon, hindi pa. Pero slowly, natututunan natin. At least, marunong na tayo mag-broker analysis ngayon. Spot natin sinong hinete at anong price. No? Kung nag-accumulate ba siya or not. One example, I don't want to hype truthfully, napabili ako kasi yung rating fair. And alam. Si Ma'am Nikki, nag-uusap kami niyan. Ang sabi niya, well, the problem with Deutsch is sasalo siya. Hinahayaan niya bumabagsak ang stock. Salo lang siya ng salo, hindi niya naman tinutulak paakyat. So, tulad nun, si Ma'am Nikki, alam niya anong galaw ng Deutsch. So, hindi. Alam nating mahinete, Deutsch has tens of millions worth of pen, but he's not pushing it up. Marami na tayong pwedeng gawin, marami na tayong concepts na pwedeng i-apply sa trading natin. No? How do you, you also would like to look at average volume. You can apply a moving average to the volume. Okay? So yan, that's how to get volume. Relative high or lower volume. Alam nyo, for that day, mataas ba or mababa compared to the average volume over a period of time. How do you do it? Pag na-set nyo yung volume, you click this, I encircled it, parang pula. No? So yan yung settings button. Lalabas itong show MA length. Check show MA and then input the moving average length. Moving average ng volume yan na hindi ng price. Some people use 5 days, 10 days, 20 days. Just play with the settings. It will play with the settings to suit your personal preference, and then as with anything sa trading, just use whatever works for you. Okay?